Swipe animations can transform your videos and product page from boring to brilliant. Welcome back, Mighty Makers. I'm Darlette. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a swipe animation using Canva. Now let's get started. So guys, once you're logged into your Canva account, you want to type in video, create a blank video down at the bottom. And then the next thing you want to do is go to elements and type in circle. Click on it. Okay. Let's change it to like this color. Okay. A little smaller. Okay, but center it. Okay, so the next thing, guys, you want to do is add the images that you want. I'm going to remove the background in this picture. So all the pictures that we add on here are going to be transparent, have a transparent background. So you're going to put it on top and then go ahead and grab your next picture. Okay, so I'm going to use the Tokyo sky tree. I'm going to remove the background and I'm going to flip it upside down and make it smaller and put it over here. Choose our next image, the Space Needle, remove background, modify it some. Alright, drag it in. The same size as the other ones. Making sure it's the same size. Turn it around. Put it over here. For the next image we're going to add is the Washington Monument. We're going to delete the background. I'm going to modify it some. I'm going to make it as tall as the rest of them so it'll be even. Okay, and then I'm going to drag it around and put it over here. So guys, I'm going to switch these two around. I'm going to make this one, bring this one over here. Bring it down. I'm going to drag this one around. Next thing you want to do is click on the circle in the center and we're going to make it transparent. Okay. And the next thing you want to do is group all of this together. Click group. Okay, so what you're going to do next is go to share in the right corner, click download, save as a PNG, and make sure it has a transparent background and increase the size, and then click download. Okay, now you're going to drag it over here, and we see it's downloading. Okay, next thing you want to do is we're going to add a page. And under upload, we're going to put our image here. So under elements, we're going to type in our square. And we're going to change the color back to our orange. And we're going to have this as our background for now. Layer it. Send backwards. Okay, guys, so once you have your background set, the next thing you want to do is go to text. And we're going to add, type in the word. Instead of writing Statue of Liberty, we're just going to put Liberty. Okay. And then I'm going to change the color to white. Okay. And then I'm going to move it up to the top. I'm going to make it a little smaller. I'm going to copy and paste this. Drag it down and we're going to type in Sky Tree. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to put Sky Tree on the opposite side, the word opposite side, okay? All right, you're going to turn it around. Okay. Okay, guys, so the next thing we want to do is duplicate this page. We're going to remove the statues, just delete it. And we're going to group all this together. Click group. Go to share. Download. Make sure it's PNG, transparent. Click page 3 only. click download. Okay guys, so the next thing you want to do is delete this and add this. We're going to crop this. So the only thing you will see is the Statue of Liberty. Okay, and we're going to reduce the size to, and we're going to drag our word over here for statue. I'm going to crop that out too as well. So next thing guys we want to do is go to the bottom and duplicate this page. Next thing we want to do is uncrop this, bring our words back. And what we're going to do is turn our words around. Okay. Adjust it some. Okay guys, what we're going to do now is go to layers, show and layers, click on this, the left, and then we're going to turn the picture to the right. Okay. And you might have to adjust this some. After that, we're going to change the background. And we're going to put it as green. This is our image. And we're going to delete the first two images down at the bottom. Okay, and then we're going to duplicate this page here. Okay guys, so next thing we want to do is uncrop this. Okay, and then we're going to rotate, adjust it some, and we're going to change the background, delete that, and change to a different color. We're going to make the background pink. It says it's back image. Okay, guys, we're going to reduce the size a little bit again, and then we're going to right click, go to show layers, click on this, and then we're going to turn this to the right. Okay, and bring up the monument song. Okay, next thing we're going to do is duplicate this page. Crop out needle and turn it to the left. Okay, bring it over some, crop this out, and we're going to delete the background, and we're going to add the color yellow. We're going to set as our background image. We're going to right click, showing layers, click on that, and then we're going to turn it to the right. Okay, all right, and bring it down. Go to add transition, match and move, increase this all the way up, add it to all. Let's play it. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and try the swipe animation using Canva and wow your audience. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and turn on your notification button until the next video. Thrive with Darlette.